Have you ever wondered why some people stay fit year-round without crash diets or exhausting workouts? In this video, I'll break down 7 daily habits that fit and healthy people follow. Habits that anyone, including you, can start today. Hydration, first thing. They don't start their day with coffee. They drink 500 milliliters of water within 10 minutes of waking up. It kickstarts metabolism, flushes toxins, and boosts brain function. Number 2, morning movement. Not a full workout, but 5 to 10 minutes of mobility or walking. This small habit gets the blood flowing and mentally primes you for an active day. Number 3, protein-packed breakfast. Instead of sugary cereals or skipping breakfast, fit people prioritize 25 to 30 grams of protein in the morning. Why? Because it curbs cravings and fuels muscle growth. Number 4, no mindless snacking. Fit individuals eat intentionally. Every snack is nutrient-rich: almonds, boiled eggs, Greek yogurt, not chips or cookies. Number 5, move every hour. They don't sit for hours. Every 60 minutes, a quick stretch or short walk keeps the metabolism high and posture strong. Number 6, strength training 3 times a week. They don't rely only on cardio. Fit bodies are built with resistance training. Just 3 sessions a week makes a huge difference. Number 7, sleep like an athlete. Healthy people treat sleep like a workout. 7 to 9 hours, no screens before bed, a dark, cool room. Sleep helps burn fat and build muscle faster. Now it's your turn. Start with just 2 habits this week and build from there. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Your fitness journey starts today.